What is up, guys? Spaceman 12352. Welcome back to another video. Where today, we're doing something different. Way different. Like, more different than different, I guess. So we're looking at the new Corvette C8 because it just came out just a few days ago. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to reviewing this thing. So, it's 0 to 60 is 2.9 seconds. Pretty good. I gotta admit, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Like, look at that. Look at the C8. Like, it's a stingray. That's pretty cool. Oh, I can't click on it. There we go. So, this is this is from Motor One. Oh, that's pretty cool. So Motor One did this picture, apparently, saying this to give all rights reserved to them, so no copyright. Hey, I'll go. Motor One gets this picture, so go check out Motor One. Actually, this is not a sponsored video, but go check out Motor One. It's a pretty sick, cool place that teaches you a lot about cars and the newest news about cars. My friend goes on Motor One every day, and he loves its website, and that's where we get all the new car news and stuff from. So go check out Motor One. So back to the C8. This, I believe, is a spider version. I'm not sure. There are two versions of the T-top version where you like remove the top and put it in the trunk. And then there's a spider version where it's actually like a convertible. So we're thinking about getting the convertible, but yeah. And so this blue, I believe, is the rapid blue. I don't know, it's the metallic, but I'm pretty sure that's the rapid blue. It is a beautiful blue color. You can get it with multiple colors of interior. You can get the seatbelts colored and everything. So, yeah, take a look at that C8. One other thing I really like about it is the headlights. With the fact that it makes it almost look like a McLaren, you know? Really thick, well, not thick, but like smooth, thin headlights. That's what I meant. Almost like the McLaren Senna, or yeah, like the Senna, you know. So I really like those. And then I also really perfectly just love the fact that they have the T-top version, the spider version, and the coupe version, and I also like how that was loud. I also like how they have the side scoops. Pretty cool, huh? Side scoops I really like as well, because it just makes it feel more and looks more like a Ferrari or Lamborghini or McLaren or any supercar company. That's another reason why I absolutely love those. And another reason. The fact that it has a fin on the back. Love it. Absolutely love the fin on the back. Love that you can color the seatbelts. Love the interior colors. Love the new C8 in all general. And so, I also... Here's some information about it. So, it actually... forgot it actually was copied off of of 2 airplanes. I don't know which airplanes they were. You can probably easily search it up. Probably even find it on Motor One. Yeah, you can probably just find it on Motor One, what type of airplanes it was copied off, or you can go to the Corvette website and, yeah, figure that out. But it was copied off of 2 airplanes and put it together, and now look at it. It looks like a freaking Ferrari, mixed with a Lamborghini, mixed with a McLaren, mixed with almost even a Koenigsegg from the back, it looks like, kinda. So, love this picture. This is just a beautiful blue. Like, look at that blue. Look at that blue. That is beautiful. So, yeah, that was pretty cool. This is these 2 are the interior colors that you can get, so I'm gonna show you those. This is also Motor One. Yeah. Yep. I'm here. So that's my sister, Italy. So you want in with this for me? You want in this or no?
No, I'm just video bombing.
Oh. All copyrights of that music go to the Wii. But anyways, so this is just one color out of the 50. I really find this one pretty, and it's pretty cool. I love it. It's just this time, on this side, it's a right hand. But, obviously, it's mostly left-handed. But, yeah, so I love how it has the dash, how detailed that is. How you have that huge screen. The button panel, I also like. And how you have a secret compartment right there. And I think they really did it with the black and the, tan. But I think you should, if you like the new C8 and you want to go fast in it around these hard turns, you should probably get the Alcantara, because Alcantara is, yeah, so you don't go freaking sliding around everywhere. But I think Corvette really did it with the color interior and just the interior in general. So, yeah. Love it. And then the next one was this. This one is from blockinspect.com. Copyright also goes to everyone in this video. So I will be saying who it's by. So no copyright intended. So they all get their rights, you know. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that might be a car thing. I'm not sure. I haven't checked it out, but I will after this video. So, this is another interior carbon fiber steering wheel. You can have the choice. This is the gray and bluish and black. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. But, oh, I was like, but where's the button panel? There it is. So, they try and make it feel like you're stepping into a cockpit of an airplane. And I think that Corvette really did it up with this, you know? And so, you can choose between carbon fiber here and there, and, you know, like, there's carbon fiber right there, you know, there. There's some there. And I really think that Corvette really did it with that as well, because I like the carbon fiber mix. And then I also like the blue on it as well. Oh, wait. I was like, something doesn't sound right. But there we go. Alright. So, yeah. I'll check out this website as well. So yeah, and you can get it to where it displays the GPS up on the windshield. Like, even a Pagani doesn't have that. If you don't know what a Pagani is, it's a supercar. If you know what a Bugatti is, most people do. The Bugatti doesn't have that. I think that Corvette really did it. Nice supercar, $60,000, and it's just perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love it. So, yeah, Corvette, you really did it with this. And I like the display on it, the other computer display. I love it. It is super duper cool. Love it. Love it, Corvette. Love it. And I haven't been a Corvette fan for much, but Corvette super did it with this one. They really did it. Like, check out this one. So, this one is also Motor One. Go check them out. Love Motor One. They are the absolute, well, I'm not putting any offense to any other company, but they are one of the best car news companies. So, yeah, guys, it is just a really cool car. In general, I love what Corvette did with this. I absolutely love it. And I think it's just a really cool, like, supercar, spaceship, airplane feel when you step first foot into that thing. I absolutely love what Corvette did with this car. And I don't really think that they could have done better. This thing is just so perfect that I don't think there is a better. It is so, like, sick. So, need a picture of the back to look at. Here. This is Driving CA. So, this picture goes to them. So, this is the back of the C8. And I think that it is the colors that really stand out on it. I think that they made the back not look like the classic Corvette. I actually like this new Corvette. Like the back of it and the colors that are available in it. Like, it is beautiful. So, yeah, I absolutely love this car. And I think if you have enough money for it, you should buy it. I think it's truly worth it. So, yeah, it is a sick car. So, yeah, I absolutely love it, and it is beautiful. That's gonna be my outro. Keep playing. And it is just super cool, It is. I like the red and the blue colors, But without further ado, please do just go on my channel, hit that bell so you never miss a video, hit the like button on this video, comment down below what your thoughts are of this car, subscribe, and without further ado, goodbye.